What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of City Classics. Today I'm doing a quick walk around of this 1966 Mustang Fastback. Beautiful car. Look at that. The colors freaking nice. You don't really see it, but these stripes here kind of blend in with the wheels here. Take a quick look at the interior. It's a stick shift. Nice gauges on there. Beautiful interior. Over there. Check out the mags right here. Please like, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment. Show you guys the best part here in a second. Cobra engine. Nicely done. Beautiful car. Lights. All of that. Beautiful. Alright, guys, please like, subscribe to the channel, CD Classics. Got more content in the channel there. What you guys think about this 60 grand? Is it worth it? Let me know. CD Classics signing out. Peace.